aseng bahayaragadi ay da mapalamda matam khara leirubaga chahi ahum gumba sure aina Govindajee ki kaino sida mafam se lakpa phangdabase ado chahi ahum gi matung da laaga hoje akhoi myam punna khoiramaga akhoi gi numittu da soida ngamdaba pinabiyu ana ek tengak thokpiyu haina nijaba phangbase yam nungai aduga wana hon cha thama hena wana honarakpado awaba ngakta neba namana haidi energy loimak drain toini mentally stress toini ado sida la akand yamna peaceful oibdo khoigi negativity leramba pumnamak loinamak positivity da on thokpado adu phange na khale ado yam nungai.
This temple is very beautiful and it's very big, and the energy over here is amazing. It's so much of positive energy over here, and I feel so peaceful after coming here. It's so much of internal peace. Yes, I love it. This dress is so comfortable. Yes.
Kurimjari, I'm Gomati Reddy, Femina Miss India Andhra Pradesh 2023. And today we're here at this beautiful temple. The second we entered over here, the energy in this temple is incredible. Sometimes we just need the time for reassurance and believing in ourselves and just praying to God. It really helps us to center ourselves. And I'm wearing this beautiful attire over here, and it makes us all feel so pretty and elegant. So, thank you, Manipur, for being so warm and kind to all of us.
I think the moment we wore this outfit and set foot in the temple, our minds were filled with calm and positivity, and that is something we required at this phase because we're very close to the finale. We have a roller coaster of emotions going on in our mind, and we came in here especially to pray for ourselves and each other. And I think that is the beauty that this place holds. It has really set our mind to calm and given us positive energy to strive towards our finale. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Manipur, for always being warm and welcoming to us. We're really grateful with all our hearts.